Yo, what is it? Alright guys, guess what? The package is arrived. We got a big package from Go Power Sports. What can it be? I've been waiting so long. Nah, it really hasn't been that long. I ordered a car maybe like a week ago or so. Maybe a week and a half. I don't remember. This should be all the parts for the live axle. Hey. There's a note. Yeah, buddy, I'm not gonna show that because, yeah, it's got my address on it. But look at that. That's a beefy boy right there. Pre-aired up. That's what's up. Got some tread. Seems pretty solid, honestly. Tire seems fucking dude. Yeah, this is like exactly what I was hoping for. I was gonna go with some like slicks, but I don't know. I'm not trying to be all sliding around. I want to have some grip, and plus, whenever I like to ride this on some rocks and concrete and stuff sometimes, so these treads will get kind of wore out, and it'll get like an in between. It won't be slick, but it'll still have a little bit of bite, and that's what I like. Kind of like these are kind of wearing down, but they still have a lot of tread on the side. So like when you're drifting and shit, it'll still have like some grip. Kind of hard to explain, but yeah. Look at this bracket. I need to open this up. Oh wow. I like how it seems welded, but I can't tell if it's welded or one piece. I don't know. It looks pretty straight though, so far. It looks like it might be welded or something. I don't know. I can't really tell. Something's funny about that right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's like a little funny business going on right here. It looks alright. It looks like there's like a, see that? It's like a line or something. I don't know. But yeah, it seems alright. I think it's for 420, 62 for 1-inch shaft or axle. What do we have here? Oh, this is the brakes. This seems pretty chill. Somebody was laying some beads. Seems fairly straight so far. I can't really tell, but yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is the upgraded brake kit. What is this? Okay, this looks like, this is the mountain bracket that you weld on the go-kart frame for the mount for this, like the actual caliper. So it's kind of hard to see right here because it's glary, but it's got two little drill holes in there where you mount it. Just the other tire in there. Oh, we got all the little locks. a drive shaft. Not a drive shaft. Axle. Yeah, all our bearings. All our pieces. Damn, bro, they hooked it up. And they stuffed a lot in this bag. Bags inside of bags. So that's a lot. Let's see for this side there. It's pretty. Yeah, this right here, this little black tab is what you weld to the frame of the go-kart, and then the axle slips through it. It's badass. But yeah, pretty soon, probably like next week or so, while I'm at work, probably gonna, not while I'm at work, but when I get off work, I'll probably slap this together while I'm at work. I'm hoping this should be the, I think I got a 44-inch, 1-inch axle. So my ugly ass feet. I gotta open this real quick. That's a beefy boy. Oh my god. That's gnarly. That shit's litty. Yeah, that's awesome. We got everything we need. Heck yeah. Let me put all this back in the box. Alright, so I put the live axle next to the shit cart just to kind of show y'all like perspective on how wide the first cart's gonna be compared to the second shit cart. Like the shit cart is really narrow, really short, really tiny, really petite. Like it kind of works in its favor because it's really light, but the new cart is a whole nother ball game. Like check this out. That's how much wider it's gonna be than the first cart. Like oh my god, just the look at this. It's gonna be that much wider. It's like a whole almost 10 inches wider. It's gonna be crazy. This one's a live axle. This one is also gonna be a live axle. That's the only thing that really helps this car is the weight of it, and that this one already had a live axle when I bought it. But the first car didn't have a live axle, so that's why I got the live axle. So both wheels are gonna spin together. It's gonna be nice. Pretty soon, I'm gonna be putting the live axle on the first go-kart, okay? So y'all stay tuned, check that out. It's probably gonna be coming in the next I say about 5 days, maybe a week or so. I'm gonna be posting the video. So the frame on the first go-kart will be done. I'm gonna be ordering the motor soon after that. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe.